Okay, so what I'm attempting to do today is I'm going to try to remove these cams, and then the oil pump cam. And depending on how smoothly that goes, I might move on to the main shaft cam. So it does look like it's leaking, although I thought that would be blacker. But I do have new seals for all this. But I was trying to investigate where a lot of this oil was coming from, and I'm hoping it's just from that. Okay, so let's go to the other side. So there doesn't seem like there's any leaking on this side. Next thing is this, and all right, so what I'm going to do is drop this assembly because I need to pull this off, and I don't think I can do it without that up. Now, to take this nut off, I believe I have to lock this with the timing belt, I think. That's the only way I can think about doing that. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, so I'm trying to loosen this cover. I can't actually take it off because it's behind this gear. But I'm going to loosen it, hopefully enough to where it can rotate up and then give me some room to pull off the oil pump gear. There's 3 10mm bolts, and then they hex on the other side of this right over here. That was a little bit tricky to get to, but anyways. It's almost like I need to take this off first. Difficult, but so I was hoping this would rotate or give me a little bit more play. And it's not. Can't get in there. Oh, it's working. It's coming out. Interesting. I just pulled it up. Okay, so it took me a while to figure this one out. I didn't have the right gear puller, so what I did was I disassembled some motorcycle spring loaders, preloaders, and I just kind of makeshift a squeezing mechanism basically. And so I started it, and I see it moving, so I believe it's going to come out soon, so I wanted to get this on video. Oh. Okay, does this whole thing come off now? Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Could have done that earlier, I suppose. Yeah, come on. Comes off. And this thing, yes, can come out. All right, I just got done removing that cap. I'm gonna remove this little cap here. This is not much of anything, I don't think. Okay, so you can tell it's pretty oily here. I'm gonna assume something is leaking in this area. So this is what I worked on today. I removed basically all the gears. I should probably find a better way to seal these things so that I kind of wanted to leave it dirty to see what areas are leaking. And it looks like this is kind of like the main area. I'm not sure what this is all about. I'll have to do some research on that. Whether there's supposed to be a gasket there or not. So I'm going to buy some special tools to remove these gaskets, or these rings, or whatever these are. There's a special tool for that. I'm going to order that. This thing I have to probably... I'm going to have to take off, or take out this, oil pump. The new O-rings and that. And then go from there. Alright, so that's it. Shut this down.